Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to block pop-ups and advertisements on iPhone using Safari. This tutorial will be really quick and easy, so watch until the end. First, open your Settings app. Once here, scroll down until you find Safari. Click on Safari and you will see Block Pop-ups. I already have it on because it's such a big help when you just want to browse on the internet and not want any viruses popping up in your screen. There's also an option for blocking cookies, which enhances your virus defense even more. It's simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.